Guys, if your presentation from any time goes blank or because of technical difficulties, don't stop, continue. Right? And you have a maximum of 10 minutes, so manage your time.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Anuradha, representing our team rehearsals. Today I am here to represent the basic growing differences between the postal service and e-commerce in Bangladesh. Respected judges and my dear audience, let's have a look at the current situation of Bangladesh Postal Service. Bangladesh Postal Service, which is more popular among the individuals, there are certain reasons behind it, and yet they have managed to set up 9,886 postal offices across the country. Few of the initiatives taken by our government are postal centers, postal cash cards, and electronic money transfer system, and most notably, a particular process automation of postal department. This second department basically deals with the task of gathering documents and information through computer hardware and web-based application, thereby introducing technology in the mediocre government sectors and thus popularizing the postal service in Bangladesh. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Akshay.
Good evening, respected judges. I'm Akshay Chakraborty. Now I'm going to highlight the problems related to e-commerce in Bangladesh. So, actually, what is e-commerce? In brief, we can say that it is the monetary transaction in terms of respected to the electronic devices. Now, I'm going to highlight the problems here. Post service employees are undertrained. That's why we can see that the employees in this sector are unable to maintain or operate the information technological side, such as computers or other services like that. And that's why they are unable to provide the foundation for the e-commerce sector in this postal service here. Second, post-service employees are equipped for information. Like in this sector, we can see that the number of computers or other electronic devices are really low, and that's why they are unable to provide information adequately. Third, lack of manpower and digitalization. That due to lack of manpower, according to the demand, there is inadequacy of manpower, and thus they also follow manual organizational structure, and but they actually should follow digitalization. Fourth, low quality service, especially regarding information. Like for example, we can see when customers seek for clarification, they confuse them, and by misinterpreting the communication, and thus customers face worse situations in this part. 5. Generally corrupted officials is really common in government sectors in Bangladesh. So this sector is not apart from that. There are certain corrupted officials, and they need speed. The customers need to pay speed money to ensure their services and all that. Then 6. Transportation facility is really poor. The courier services or letters or any other postal services are really delayed by time due to the transportation facility in this sector. And lastly, website is not regularly updated. Due to the unupdated website, people are living outside this country are really finding it difficult to get information in this sector, and thus they do not use actual Bangladesh's postal service. Thank you. Now we follow the fact sheet.
I'm going to discuss solution for Bangladesh Postal Service in the field of e-commerce. Now, as you have already seen, that the problem is not that Bangladesh Postal Service isn't providing any kind of service to the people in field of e-commerce, or the customers are wanting to get involved in it. The problem is that they cannot ensure, they cannot provide what they are actually offering. In this case, we can solve this problem by first, the postal service has to increase manpower to properly handle the charge of customer. Second, there has to be improvement of personnel proper training. And third, electronic implementation facilities. These three solutions can be summarized together. Like in Thana area, we can annually recruit and aim to handle the current situation for the postal services. And second, The training of these people should be intertwined with the recruitment system. They should be immediately trained by the private computer coaching centers who properly handle the modern IT equipment. And electronic equipment has to be in this case again in Thana level there should be an information storage server to properly provide enough information to the customers there. For the mail and the parcel transfer has to be faster. Like any successful parcel delivery operations like DHL or FedEx, they have their own very sophisticated transportation systems. They should follow them. 5. Advertisement through electronic media. In this case, Bangladesh Postal Service should stop trying to make conventional documentaries and try to focus on how to make advertisement like any other private organization, so that they could attract the customers. 6. Increase service through compensation amongst the service centers and IT intermediaries. Bangladesh Postal Service doesn't provide compensation for lost or damaged goods, but that is provided by other sophisticated private sectors, private organizations like DHL, FedEx, they should follow this project. Finally, the total clearance of the organization. If Bangladesh Postal Service wants success like a private organization, they should follow what these private organizations do. They have to initiate a performance evaluation system and based on that they should provide incentive for their employees to improve their service. Thank you everybody. I am going to be followed by Ziauddin Shah.
Good evening everyone, I am Ziauddin Shah, continuing the presentation. We have already known about the problems and solutions of postal service, Bangladesh Postal Service. But they have not adopted any better business model here. We have already automated, they need to provide a good business model to ensure a better service for their customers. First, we need to concentrate on automated mail process. They need to concentrate on automated mail processing center. The service automated mail processing centers can be ensured by government. The government can ensure through the automated mailing process for their customers. It can enrich their customer satisfaction, and this can provide this can enrich their fame. The thing Bangladesh Postal Service is lacking is popularity. So they can arrange events to let the young people know about themselves. Mainly, the e-commerce is mainly handled by young people. Young people are in this with young people are always automated mail processing centers by ensuring automated mail processing centers, we can ensure better customer satisfaction, which is needed most. And then we need mail business center. Mail business center is already efficient in Bangladesh, but the thing is, they need one-stop solution. They are taking too much time to provide their solutions to their customers, to their mail, to their customers, and Because of this, their service is hampered, and people are selecting other media. They need to provide better tracking and tracing system. Security is must. In this, when we use this system for querying.
Okay, the time is up. I'll give you 30 seconds to wrap it up. Right?
Okay. For security systems, they need to track and tracing system. Security, by tracking and tracing system, they will provide too much tracking and tracing, too much security. Rural postal insurance is needed also. The rural people will get this from rebranding, and the most important thing is rebranding of postal services. The branding system of postal service is too low. To get it to the main point, rebranding.
I think you had some good ideas, because when you came to the solutions, and I can see them on the slide, they seem actually quite nice. So, this is one question. Can you explain a bit more about the rural postal insurance? How this will work when you tie it in with e-commerce?
Rural postal insurance. Now, we already know that Bangladeshi rural people have little access to banking sector, and they have to be helped by microcredit and other organizations. In this case, there is huge potential for Bangladesh postal service to make sure to gain footing in that area. So rural postal insurance can work in the manner that they could provide insurance for their agricultural products or farmlands or other small areas that are not naturally covered by the conventional financial systems.
Right. So overall, I think it was a good presentation. I just had a few points on your delivery. So what you can do is, when you are starting and finishing, when you're switching users, don't say, like thank you or handing over to me. There's no need for that. The next person can immediately come over and start the next section. Alright? Okay, that's one. The second one is, did any of you try to memorize what you're going to say? If you have, don't do that. Don't try to memorize any lines. That never helps. Alright? Try to understand and internalize the points that you have in your head. Get as much information as you can. Practice saying what you're going to do. Right, and then next time when you're going to present, don't try to remember what was that line, what was that. Don't try to do that. Right, it will automatically come out if you actually know what you're going to say. So that's basically it. Any besides that, good ideas? Thanks guys.